Today I'm going to change the low beam bulb in the headlight on the driver's side of my 2017 Volkswagen wagon. So I had got the warning light that the bulb was needing to be replaced. So I went to my local Volkswagen dealership and picked up a new bulb. This one was $30. Thankfully it was the low beam light because the other headlight is $300. So I'm just gonna place that down there and I'll show you guys what the headlights look like. So that's the passenger side, that's all good. And then this is the one that's out, so we gotta replace that bulb right over there. So it's a bit of a tight area, but you're gonna wanna get this rubber cover off. I'm gonna put my phone down and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's off, but so you can see it's located right back there. So it's starting to come off. Just move your hand down. And so that's what that piece looks like. So we can go ahead and put that aside, and then we're gonna proceed to take the bulb out. There should be a plastic piece right there. You want to turn that counterclockwise. See if I can get my camera to focus. So this little piece here, go ahead and turn that counterclockwise to get it out. Okay, so a good little counterclockwise turn and a click, and it has popped out. So that's the burnt out headlight. You can actually see it burnt out. This is, I guess, kind of like a little plastic holder for it. We're gonna want to take that light bulb off and then attach the new one. Very important to not touch the bulbs by the actual light, especially the new one. Well, mainly the new one. This one's garbage. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and swap them. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it out. And we're gonna put the new one back in there. There's a specific way that the bulb actually needs to go back in. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the new one. I'm gonna get some gloves so that I don't actually touch the new bulb. It actually shortens the lifespan of the new bulb if you touch it right on the light. So again, this one's the old one. It's clearly burnt out, so it's gonna go in the garbage. Okay, I couldn't find any rubber gloves, so whatever, we'll use these ones. So get our new bulb out of here. Now, this one was $30 straight from Volkswagen. I'm sure if you went to like a local Canadian Tire or something, you could get it for cheaper. But it was convenient for me to just stop at my Volkswagen store and get that. So this little piece up at the top that needs to be aligned with that part right there. So it's very important that you line them up correctly so that it fits nicely inside that hole, and then go ahead and press it in. Now your new bulb is attached. So now that the bulb is in, we're gonna go ahead and put it back to where we found it, turning clockwise this time to get it locked in. Try to film this while doing it. Don't know how successful that will be. Actually, I'm gonna have to put my phone down. I don't have any help to film, but I'll show you guys when it's done. So, the bulb is in. Now that you can see in the back there that the bulb is in, now we're just gonna lock it into place by turning clockwise. Great. And you heard that click. The bulb is in. Perfect. We'll get our rubber seal back on there. And get it around. Go ahead and click that in. Perfect. Awesome. So let's go ahead and turn the car on and see if we've been successful or not. Ta-da! We have working headlights. So that's it, guys. That's how you change a low beam headlight bulb on a Volkswagen. Yeah, hopefully that was helpful. It's pretty simple. Bye.